Good afternoon. Thank you for tuning into the home of Nanny Dogs 314. Where your talk man the trail burst. I haven't forgot about my YouTube. I just been getting work done on my house. I had to get new gutters. This is the remaining wood. This is the old gutters. Had new gutters put on the house. New gutters put on the house. So I ain't been doing nothing but, you know what I'm saying, dealing with the dogs. Dealing with Big Blue. My boy Tiger. Look at that big old boy. My girl bounced back real good. Real good. Bounced back like she never had puppies. Body looking awesome. He been doing some working, so he breathing a little hard, but he got water in there in this thing.